So today is a light day. I did Muay Thai, a quick run in the morning and breakfast, and now we're free. It's a Saturday, so apparently there's no training. I'm gonna go get a massage with at this place that Chinmay recommended. So Chinmay backed out. He said he wants to nap, so I have the scooter to myself. But first I need to figure out, I think this is the one. Hey, don't lick my coke and all. The coke is for me to drink, not to put your snout in. Okay?
You have in Bangkok.
In Bangkok. But this is like a small, nice place, right? They might make it like wholesome or something. Don't you think?
Or maybe in Hua Hin tomorrow.
Bread and condensed milk and damn. Wow. So much for working out, huh? Hapunka.
Oh, you have to eat it.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. We finished buying some snacks and beverages from 7-Eleven, and now we're heading to the beach. But we're not in school again.
I was asking how good it was. Oh, yeah.
Cheers, man. Cheers, man.
Cheers. I thought you took
It's fine.
It could be, but I'm really hungry. My cook like me, so yeah.
We at the night market at Sam Roi Yot. Sticky rice beach, no? Got some nice teepees to camp out. $100. Dosa we had first.
Yeah.
Nutella dosa with banana.
This we have in India also. We make it too.
Sunday, rest day. Bijoy and all of them are working out. I just want to take it easy. Every part of my body hurts. I'm so everywhere. So just gonna take it easy. It's kind of getting gloomy, so might rain. We're supposed to be going to Hua Hin, so let's see how that pans out. Gotta get a dip in the pool on Monday at least. Another day, another Red Bull, blueberry blackcurrant flavor. Rental for the day. Boom. Oh, oh Jesus, man.
Don't like.
Good. Kick down.
Shot. Through the center. Bullshot. Okay.
So we're done with the shooting range. This is to get a feel of the gun, the weight. Gonna have a quick Thai milk tea before we head into Hua Hin to meet with Preetham and Jia. Poon Thai coffee. Imagine meeting Preetham and Jel in, I don't know, country number what is this together. Sawadika, Sawadika.
Welcome to Thailand.
What's up? Welcome to you. Welcome, Filipinas. Sweaty, sweaty.
I brought it. We have water in the room.
6:30, so I don't think
See you guys in Bangkok. Bye bye. Enjoy the wedding. Sawadika. Snapper for scale. Fried rice. Oh no, green curry. Bijoy, what have you ordered, man? Kap and kap. That's a bowl. No, yeah. What kind of kaliya? Chalo, off to sleep. I am napping. Bijoy, please don't nap. All that big talk is giving, now he'll run. I'm ready to focus when he runs. Camera is pointed. Look at him go! Over? Okay, come. Thank you. Good night. No, okay. Thank you. So, what are we eating? What is this?
This is butter chicken,
Wow.
rotis,
Rotis.
right? Roti,
Pulkas?
and then yellow rice. Yellow rice, yeah.
Yellow rice. They're serving and all of that, huh? Thank you, Chinmay. That's it, huh? Can I not get like another spoon?
It tastes like chocolate.
Thank you.
I don't really like that.
Will you be there in November, December? Okay, I will message 100%.
The morning, another run by the ocean. I think I gotta stop recording these because really, I'm just doing the same thing and repeat. Got the structure plus on feet. Boom. Thank you.
Not really.
Huh?
Oh, no, not for you.
Oh, Jesus.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Just goblet squats, okay? But you're going to treat it like a strength exercise where you do one set, take 1 up to 2 minutes rest, go heavier, okay? Neutral line of sight, don't look about 45 degrees down, yeah?
breakfast done. Today we're having breakfast together. Hi, Mom.
No? You like it? No, I'm not asking. I thought that's a good one. No? I don't need that.
Like Western Indian.
I don't need
like
it.
Western Indian food. No.
Because
in the reef, man, on the run from taxman doctors.
I drop, they did, it's like that, they did. Coming, that's how 20 seconds, 20 seconds.
Sit. Good boy.
He's like, what are you laughing at?
You're delaying my strawberry.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Let me see.
Oh. Just got home from my massage and they've left my dinner behind for me. So I'll quickly eat and then maybe head to 7-Eleven with Bijoy and Chinmay for some snacks. Last trip to 7-Eleven in Sam Roi Yot. Sawadee. Oh, I could just live here, you know. Grape, pomegranate, passion fruit. Okay, first in goes the soda. None of us have any idea how this will taste, but we are here in Thailand, so we do it. That's it. Now put in the flavor.
Jelly. Oh?
Really? It's good. Come this way. For one night, what did you
We
buy?
can do it in Bangkok tomorrow. Is there in Phuket also? No. This is Phuket shopping. Last morning and last sunrise in Sam Roi Yot. Come for my morning run. I'm walking though, not running as much because my entire body is sore. And we have the drive back to Bangkok as well, so I don't want to overexert. But I am surely gonna miss that view. And we've reached the midpoint of the morning walk. Time to head back. Palm is there to tell me sabai sabai. Just me, or does the stop sign look like run in reverse here? Like R-U-N. Let's go, Palm.
I'm gonna fuck you up, Alan. Con, how much are you doing? Chinmay, come on! Told you I'm gonna fuck Alan up. Fuck Alan up. Come on, Al! How many minutes?
It was quite the workout. Just showered, packing bags. Gonna go have breakfast and then hop on a cab back to Bangkok. See ya, Lily. Enjoy Muay Thai and link us to your fight.
Yes, I will do.
Bye. Checking out, leaving the room as good or as close to how I found it. You can see how humid it is. Sweating all over. Whew. Hey. Tractor, I guess.
Yeah, do this.
Ah, that's Lily there. Going nice and easy.